Welcome to another inspiring video by UPlantTube. Here at UPlantTube, I'm always looking for different ways to grow all sorts of vegetables, especially when my growing area is limited. I've gone ahead and have done all the hard work for you to find out which is the most efficient, productive, and cheapest way to grow whatever will grow successfully with limited effort. There are many videos on the web that claim to have grown all sorts of different plants and vegetables using plastic recycled water bottles. Only specific water bottles can they use. Furthermore, these water containers can only be used if they have had certain modifications carried out. Here I will show you if your container is safe enough to grow edible food and what modifications need to be done. So if you turn your container upside down, you should find a triangle symbol with a number in the center. 3, 6, and 7 are not safe for food and drink. For further details, check the chart to the corresponding number to get a full explanation. Now that we have established what is safe to be used to grow our edible vegetables, let's see what modifications need to be done to maximize our chances of success. We obviously need to make holes on the bottom of the container for the water drainage. This is where a portable hand drill comes in handy. 4 holes with a 6mm to 7mm drill bit should be efficient. This container is enclosed, so we obviously need to cut away more plastic to make an accessible hole big enough so that we may be able to transplant our seedlings. Now if you think that's all you have to do, then think again. I've seen many videos where people claim to have grown successfully all sorts of vegetables just by simply making these 2 modifications. Wrong, I'll explain why. Roots seek darkness and protective moisture instead. In transparent pots, roots avoid light-penetrated areas of soil. Roots forced into high-light areas, light-sensitive roots recoil and slow or stop growth. When light dries the soil out, tender root tips can suffer. To avoid damaging the roots from the light, you should paint any container that is transparent with an all-purpose multi-surface primer. It's best to give it a couple of coats of paint. I've gone ahead and already have filled the container with 70% potting soil and 30% homemade organic compost. The water bottle is a 25 liters container, so that would be 6.6 US gallons. I am currently experimenting trying different types of vegetables to see which grow best with this type of setup, which I will be publishing on my channel in the near future. So I would encourage all viewers to subscribe to my channel and to hit that notification button as not to miss out and to find out which vegetables are most successful. And finally, we need to water the plant either from the small hole on the top of the container or from the piece that I had cut out. This container is also very easy to move around.
Feel free to ask me any questions related to the video in the comment section below.
I hope you have found this video of interest and consider subscribing if you have not already done so. Also, I would appreciate if you hit that like button. Thanks for watching.